Olkan, how are you?
Some places the cars cannot go. Very narrow places, very narrow roads, so the horses can access all areas. We have to make sure the person has permissions and the letter from the where he or she working for. If anyone go without no permission, we have to take the ID, birth ID, and we have to fine the person because he is not following the rules. We covered residential areas and the commercial areas such as Jumeirah, Al-Barsha, Satwa, Bad', Jafliya, Diafa, as well Rashidiyya, etc.
صحيح سيدي، الوضع على ما يرام والجمهور متعاون.